Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's clothing haul video. So recently I shopped for few things because I am traveling like I mentioned in my couple of videos, and I was facing a major crisis in my life like any other girl, that I don't have anything to wear. Though my wardrobe is full of clothes, but still I don't have anything to wear, and that's the case all the time. I have to go for a party or maybe I'm traveling. So I thought to buy a few basic stuff. I wanted to buy a few t-shirts and basic dresses and also a handbag. So I have picked all of it from different brands, and that's what I'm going to share with you all in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. Since I'm traveling tomorrow and I'm filming this video a night prior my traveling, so I think this video will not be a try on haul, but I will try to click pictures and will post if I get time. But if not, do follow me on Instagram. I will be posting pictures really soon on my Instagram. I'm very much active on Instagram. I am very much active on Insta stories as well. So my handle is Mansi Nautiyal Mehta. Link is also in the description. So do follow me there and you can see how these clothes look on me. So this is all the damage that I have done, and I will be showing you all one by one, brand wise, and starting with my favorite brand, H&M. 70% of my wardrobe is filled with H&M because I really like the quality of their clothes, and also they are very comfortable, casual, and also fairly priced. So I always buy something or the other from H&M whenever I'm going for shopping. So the first one, I picked a very cute romper. I really love wearing rompers, and this is how it looks. It's orange in color and it has flower detailing, daisy flower detailing all over it. It is full sleeves and has little bit of bell detailing at the bottom, and also has elastic right here. It is very short in length, and this is how it looks. It has little bit of frill detailing at the bottom as well, and at the waist it comes with a belt from both the sides. So it's a wraparound style, and this is how it looks. It's super cute, and this retails for 1500 rupees. Now since I was looking for casual t-shirt, I picked this black t-shirt which has this golden design happening at the front, and it looks really nice. It gives me a Versace vibe in just 800 rupees. So I just picked it up. The quality is really nice. The material is so soft. And I also picked another t-shirt which is plain white in color, and this is how it looks. And this has an embellished B right here, which gives a very nice look to this t-shirt. Now you cannot have enough blacks and whites in your wardrobe, so I just picked this white one. And my most favorite purchase from H&M is this skirt. I got it in a steal deal. This is how it looks. It's a short skirt, black printed, and it has a very nice elastic detailing here, and also it comes with pocket, which is really nice. This was originally priced for 1500 rupees, but I got it just for 800 rupees. I got this one from sales section, and if I haven't mentioned the price of white t-shirt, it was for 800 rupees. Next up, I've picked two items from Westside. Now I really like the Westside collection this time because they are coming up with latest designs, prints, trends, and I really like the collection. And the first one is this dress that I picked, which is so cute. It's very summerish and it's very nice because it's polka dot. It's light pink in color. It was suiting me so well, and it looks so cute on me. It has this short sleeves, and it has V-neck right here. It is a wraparound dress, so it has a belt right here and a very nice frill detailing at the bottom. It is till my knee, so it's a very decent length, and I really liked it. It retails just for 12.99, so 1300 rupees. I really like this one. And the other item that I picked is the blue printed jumpsuit. Now I love wearing jumpsuits as well, and this one looks so nice on me. This has a very nice bell shape, and it's printed, so it looked really cool. And also it has buttons right at the front, and then it has a belt, and it is 3/4, like it's ankle length, and it is a plazo. Okay, so it has a plazo style jumpsuit, and it also has frill at the bottom. I know this is not the very right way to show you all the jumpsuit, but I will try to insert a picture if I can, but it fits me really well and I really like this one. And this retails, I think, just for 1500 rupees. Moving towards the last clothing item, I've picked one basic t-shirt from Marks and Spencer, and this is how it looks. It's very nice mustard color, perfect for summer. It has V-neck, it looks really nice. The sleeves are not half sleeves and not a 3/4 sleeves. It comes till here, and it's very difficult to find such sleeves in all the brands, so I really liked it. The fit is also really nice and it was available in so many different colors. I just picked this one to try, and this retails just for 600 rupees, so that's a really nice price for such a nice t-shirt with such sleeves, because I love wearing a little longer sleeves. I don't like short half sleeves, so I will be picking more colors in this one. And the last product of this haul is this very beautiful blush pink color tote bag from Forever New. This is how it looks. It's medium in size and I absolutely love the color, and it has one compartment in it like you can see, and one small zip right inside, and it's perfect for travel. I wanted this for my travel because my all medium and bigger size bags were kind of old and I am using all sling bag these days, so I wanted a new handbag and I got it in a really nice price. This was for 3800, but this was on discount and I got it just for 2700. So yeah, that's a really nice deal. I have one more Forever New bag and I really like the quality, so that's why I picked one. That's all for this haul video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this one, and if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we are so close to hit 1000 subscribers and I'm so happy for that. I will be hosting a giveaway when I hit 1000, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and be a part of my virtual family, and I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.